Hello YouTube! Last week, Wednesday and Thursday, I announced the two winners of my monthly giveaway. And I also announced a chance for another giveaway to anybody who's a lucky subscriber to my bonus giveaway email list series. That's right, I'm doing a third giveaway for this Thursday on the 29th at 8 p.m. You definitely want to tune in, so I announced the third winner before the end of this month. And that's what this is all about. So before I continue, this is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel. And I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. Okay, how to earn $100 online for free on PayPal or Cash App. So this is what you got to do. You basically go to this page. Link is in the description below this video, where you basically sign up to here, like just put in your email and confirm your email as well. So you get the latest updates, bonuses, and even traffic methods. So these are some of the stuff you get from your daily bonuses. And there's a lot more than this, but I'm just giving you a sneak peek, as you can see here. So you can get a chance to be the third winner. I'll randomly select the people who stay active on my emails, the daily emails from now until Thursday, 8 p.m. on August 29th. I'll randomly pick the person who not only opens the emails, but clicks the links in the emails as well. And they'll also have a high chance of winning if they join any of the offers I'm promoting right now. So I'm just giving you an example. Like any of these offers that you join, especially this one as well. My $10 system. We could get multiple income streams with this. So income stream one is the $10, and then these other ones are free. We can also earn commissions too. Like you're supposed to connect them together to get like for multiple income streams, and as explained in this video. And if you need more assistance, I'm always available. So here's my contact information, and for support, be able to get my also information on Leads Leap, this exact funnel we can use to leverage this. And you can basically create your email bonus series as well, like by following my videos and following everything what I put down in the emails. So you can replicate this exact same thing I'm doing. And for the three winners too, so if you manage to win, be the third winner, for the three winners, you get a spot, first three spots on my traffic rotator campaign for the next month's giveaway. And so you're basically not getting just only $100. But if you join any of the business opportunities and you want to scale more to make even more money, especially with my Rolodex of traffic sources, what I'm going to be using all next month to help you get sales. I can promise you leads, but legally I can't promise you sales. But I've tried these traffic sources before, and I've gotten many results with this. So it shouldn't be too hard to get sales to your links. So all you have to do is email me your links, or go to any of my contact information, Facebook, or on my phone number on the screen, as you can see here. So that's pretty much what's going on in terms of this. So you're not only getting $100 free to PayPal or Cash App, whatever your choice is, but a chance to be to get the first three spots on my next month's traffic rotator campaign. So, you know, like you get even more of a bonus by joining the opportunity. So this is why I'm saying that, you know, you have a high chance of winning this if you join any of the business opportunities. But I still consider the people who stay active the most on clicking the links in the emails. As a matter of fact, one of those winners I already selected already, who didn't purchase anything, ended up being the winner of one of these offers too, like the last Wednesday and last Thursday. So that person took action. So that's pretty much it as far as this goes. Just want to give you this quick updates, and definitely stay active in the emails. Sign up to this page, link down below, and let's take action. If you like what you see and you have a megaton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below to get on my email list so we can get daily bonuses and a chance to win any of the monthly giveaways that I share with you. And this also helps out the algorithm of this channel. So without further ado, thanks for watching and stay active.